In just 5 months, Samsung will unveil its next flagship series, the Galaxy S25, but leaks have already revealed some surprising news about the top-tier model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you were hoping for a bigger battery, you might be disappointed. Thinking face. According to recent data from the China Compulsory Certification Database, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a battery capacity of 4,885 mAh, same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means the new model will also be marketed with a 5,000 mAh battery. If you were hoping for a boost in charging speeds or a bigger battery with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you might be in for a disappointment. Earlier reports suggest that Samsung won't be improving charging speeds for this upcoming flagship, which means you might not get the quick top-ups you were hoping for. High voltage. But that's not all, the competition is already ahead of the game. OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi are already offering flagship devices with massive batteries, some even reaching 6,000 and 7,500 mAh. Exploding head. As we rely more heavily on our smartphones every day, battery life becomes the ultimate make-or-break feature. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra on the horizon, we're hoping Samsung takes a cue from Chinese manufacturers and adopts game-changing silicon carbide batteries in their premium devices. Starstruck? But that's not all. The new lineup is set to feature powerhouse processors like the Exynos 2500 chip or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, both boasting significant performance enhancements. However, rumors suggest these new chipsets may guzzle more power than their predecessors, making battery life even more crucial. Char decreasing. As we eagerly await the Galaxy S25 Ultra, one thing is clear: a slightly larger battery would be a game changer. But it seems Samsung has other plans. Neutral face. However, there's still hope. An improved thermal system in the upcoming model could boost efficiency and give us the battery life we deserve. Let's keep our fingers crossed for some positive news. Crossed fingers.